Prove that 1 plus mu square delta square equals 1 plus delta square by 2 the whole square. Let's look at the proof. We have LHS is 1 plus mu square delta square, where mu is the average operator, which equals e raised to 1 by 2 plus e raised to negative 1 by 2 upon 2, and delta is the central difference operator, which equals e raised to 1 by 2 minus e raised to negative 1 by 2. Thus LHS can be written in this way. Since square is common to both these terms, it can be rewritten as e raised to 1 by 2 plus e raised to negative 1 by 2 multiplied to e raised to 1 by 2 minus e raised to negative 1 by 2 upon 2 the whole square. 1 by 2 the whole square becomes 1 by 4. These terms are of the form a plus b into a minus b, which can be written as a square minus b square, and we get this. Here e raised to 1 by 2 the whole square is e, and e raised to negative 1 by 2 the whole square is e inverse. Thus this term becomes e minus e inverse the whole square upon 4. When you take LCM here, you get 4 plus e minus e inverse the whole square upon 4. This can be expanded using the formula for a minus b the whole square, and we get 4 plus e square plus e inverse the whole square minus 2 times e inverse. E inverse the whole square becomes e raised to negative 2, and e into e inverse is just 1. Thus we have 4 plus e square plus e raised to negative 2 minus 2 upon 4 obtained. We have 4 minus 2 is positive 2, and positive 2 can also be rewritten as 2 times e inverse, so that this numerator can be written as e plus e inverse the whole square upon 4. Thus we have reduced LHS to the expression e plus e inverse the whole square upon 4. RHS of the given expression to be proved is 1 plus delta square by 2 the whole square, where delta is the central difference operator, which equals e raised to 1 by 2 minus e raised to negative 1 by 2. Thus we have RHS rewritten in this way. This can be expanded using a minus b the whole square formula, and we have 1 plus 1 by 2 into e plus e inverse minus 2 times e raised to 1 by 2 into e raised to negative 1 by 2 the whole square. We will replace e raised to 1 by 2 into e raised to negative 1 by 2 by 1, and we get this expression. Here we will take LCM, and we get 2 plus e inverse minus 2 the whole square divided by 2 square. We have 2 square, which is 4, obtained in the denominator, and in numerator we have positive 2 and negative 2 getting cancelled, and numerator reduces to e plus e inverse the whole square. Thus RHS has also reduced to the expression e plus e inverse the whole square upon 4. Since both LHS and RHS equals this same expression, we can conclude that LHS equals RHS.